What's it look like?
Oh, my teeth is falling out.
Is that string cheese?
My fucking teeth fell out. Motherfucker.
That marshmallow is so sticky it took his teeth right out.
Fucking bastard.
Chi-Chi!
That sucks. That thing makes my face. Let me something get the fuck off of me.
What do you
Give me
want?
that-
You had a
something there.
napkin.
No, I don't.
What'd you do with it?
Alright, that's enough of that.
What? What happened?
Too far. Tractor blowed up.
Tractor blowed up?
Fucking gotta clean up a big fucking shit here. Alright. Okay, that's enough of that.
We're live.
Or to go other way. I had a little accident here. You didn't take my teeth falling out, did you?
I got it.
Oh, fuck me. Fuck me.
We got 2 shares already. Oh, someone's here. Tell them what happened, Choppers.
Oh,
Who's here?
I don't know. Somebody just joined.
Somebody joined. Tell them what happened to your tractor.
Watching our live.
I'm not going
You're
there.
alive.
No,
Tell them what happened to your tractor.
Blowed up. Caught on fire. Just got a new belt. Like a bullet. Caught on fire and I couldn't run.
Because your hips are
'Cause I
bad.
got bad hips and it. Burn it up.
Ronald Gentry. Gentry, son. Hi, Ronald.
Oh, that would be real funny on there.
Hi, Anna.
You could be
Come
your
be.
funny self.
I'm gonna have
You
to
can
hit
make-
What are you eating?
the dumpster marshmallows and graham crackers from the dumpster. They're pretty good.
Look very good.
Pretty teeth fall out. Fucking make my teeth fall out. Fucking stupid accidental. Cocksuckers.
Tell us about the
4 hours. 4 hours to make your teeth fall out.
Tell us about what?
what happened to the Ryan mower. Specific details.
Blew it up. Caught on fire. I don't know. I'm having problems. My tractor and my teeth. Okay, that's enough. Hello.
Your tractor fell.
I don't want to talk about it anymore. I'm gonna you almost killed me coming here.
I did not.
Just got out of hospital and you make me almost sideswipe me. Rear-ended a car.
You made it here, didn't you? You're here.
Okay.
I
I
didn't.
don't want to talk anymore. Come on. Talk to Tape Dakota. Doing shots.
Josh, what's roasting in that fire pit over there?
Yeah.
Alright, Choppers don't want to play no more, guys. Tell everybody bye, Choppers. You have 25,000 people watching you right now.
25,000, yeah.
Tell them bye. Choppers
Bye-bye.
signing off.
Bye-bye. Happy New Year's.
We'll sign back on in a little bit.
What's your catchphrase?
Suck a dick.
He's gonna watch that and say, "That's my catchphrase."
Alright, now how do I stop this?
He said, "Suck it
I
in."
don't know how to get out of here, though.
Are you still alive?
Yeah. We're still live. I don't know how to get off live. Sorry, it's our first time.